Welcome to the session, children. Today we are going to see a new poem. The title of the poem is The Centipede Song. Centipede is an insect. It has long, flattened body. Its body is divided into various segments, and they have thousands of legs. That is, they have many legs. So let's see what the poet is telling about the centipede. The Centipede Song. First section is warm up. Centipede is an insect with a long, somewhat flattened body with many legs. It has many segments in its body. We have two questions here. Let's see what are those. First one, can you think of another insect with many segments in its body? So they are asking you to name another insect which has many segments in its body. Can you guess it? I will help you with that. We can tell caterpillar as an example for an insect with many segments in its body. Second one, name an insect which is also the name of a game. This is quite an interesting question. So I will give you clues for that. So this game is played as a team. To play this game, we will need two teams. Each team should have 11 players in it. And this is a favorite game for most of the people. Any guesses? Okay, the name of the insect as well as the game is cricket. It was fun, right? Okay. Let's read the poem. 40,000 little legs walking down the stairs. 40,000 little feet walking down in pairs. So 40,000 little legs. The poet is telling the centipede has 40,000 legs, and the legs are tiny little legs walking down the stairs. So it is walking down the stairs, running down the stairs. 40,000 little feet. Why 40,000 little feet? Because they have 40,000 little legs. So 40,000 little feet walking down in pairs. So in pairs, the 40,000 little feet is walking down. Okay, the centipede uses its 40,000 little feet to walk, that is to run around. So let me read it one more time for you. 40,000 little legs walking down the stairs. 40,000 little feet walking down in pairs. Pairs means twos. The next stanza. Here you can see the full picture of a centipede. You can see it is very long. Yes? Okay. Crunching on the gravel, marching in the shade, sounding like an army of soldiers on parade. Crunching. Crunching is a sound made when something is broken or cracked. So crunching on the gravel. So when the centipede moves on the stones, that is, gravel means small round shaped stones. So when we walk on the stones, we hear the crunching sound, right? A cracking sound. So crunching on the gravel with that cracking sound on the stones, marching in the shade. The centipede always walks or runs in the shade, sounding like an army of soldiers on parade. It walks in the same direction. 40,000 little legs of the centipede walks in the same direction, just like an army of soldiers on parade. So if you see in a parade, all the soldiers will move towards the same direction. So like that, the centipede is also moving. Crunching on the gravel, marching in the shade, sounding like an army of soldiers on parade. Clear? The next one. How happy is the centipede that doesn't have to care except to have his 40,000 shoes in good repair. So the poet is telling the centipede is very happy. It doesn't have to care about anything or anyone. So if you see a centipede, it will keep running about in a place. It will not care about anything. So the poet is referring the centipede as it is very happy and it doesn't have to care about anything. All that it has to look into is to keep its 40,000 shoes in good repair. Shoes means its feet in good condition. Good repair means good condition. So if its legs are in good condition, it can run anywhere. It can run here and there very happily without caring about anything. So all that it has to look into is to keep its legs in good condition without having any damage. How happy is the centipede that doesn't have to care except to have his 40,000 shoes, that is 40,000 legs, feet, in good repair, good condition. Clear? Hope you liked the poem. Now rhyming words. So we have already discussed about rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound, as in care, repair, share, pair, shade, parade. Here care and share also will rhyme. So care, repair, shares, pairs, shade, parade. Got it? Okay. Now new words. Crunching. Making a sound as if something is being crushed or broken. So crunching sound is a sound made as if something is being crushed, cracked or broken. Gravel, small rounded stones. The stones that are in round shape. In good repair means in good condition. Are you all clear with the new words? Okay. Understanding the text. Tick the correct option and fill in the blanks. First one. A centipede has dash legs. Options are A 40,000, B 2,000, C 40. The right answer is A 40,000. Next one, it crunches on the dash. Options are A, stones, B, gravel, C, sand. The right answer is B, gravel. Third one, a centipede marches in the dash. Option A, shade. Option B, sunlight. Option C, dark. So, the right answer is A, shade. Fourth one, the centipede is dash. Options are A, sad. B, happy. C, upset. The right answer is B, happy. Last one, it has to keep its 40,000 shoes in dash. Options are A, good repair. B, poor condition. C, a bad way. So it has to keep its 40,000 shoes in A, good repair. Clear? Okay. Moving on to the next one. Unjumble the names of animals using the clues given. So, clues are given. The names of the animals are jumbled here. You have to unjumble it to form the correct name. The first clue, it is called the ship of the desert. So which animal is called the ship of the desert? It is camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Second one, it hisses. So which animal makes the hissing sound? Yes, it's snake. Third one, it likes to eat bananas. So which animal likes bananas the most? Monkey. Good. It is a playful water animal. Playful water animal? Any guesses? Maybe I'll give you a clue. Its name starts with D. Okay, the answer is dolphin. The last one. It has a pouch. The right answer is kangaroo. Got it? Okay. Very good. The next one. Read aloud the words given in the columns below. And then they are asking you to find the difference between the words ending with T-I-O-N and S-I-O-N. Okay, the sounds of T-I-O-N and S-I-O-N. The first set of words. Action. I repeat, action. Second one, nation. Nation. Third one, addition. Addition. Fourth one, position. Position. And the next one, creation. Creation. Now the next set of words. First one, vision. Vision. Next one, decision. decision. Third one, confusion. Confusion. Fourth one, occasion. Occasion. And the last one, division. Division. Got it? Okay. So with this, we have come to the end of the session, children. So the poem that we saw was about the centipede. The centipede is an insect that has a long flattened body with many little legs. So the poet has told that the centipede has 40,000 little legs and 40,000 little feet that helps the centipede to walk down the stairs. The centipede always walks in the shade, and the centipede walks towards the same direction just like the army of soldiers. The centipede is very happy and it doesn't have to care about anything except that it has to keep its 40,000 little legs, that is 40,000 little feet, in good condition. So it was an interesting poem, right? So until I meet you in the next video, take care.